Yeah, thank you. I brought you here to change your wardrobe.
You never told me.
No, I like surprises. Oh. I just want to surprise you. You know, pick as many clothes as you want.
Okay.
About the cash.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh, come on. Pick. Okay. Pack enough. Just pack enough. I will pay.
I like this one.
No, pick it. Let me hold it for you. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, let me hold it for you. Come on. Pick it.
Okay.
If you like, you can pack all of them. I will pay. So much money is talking.
This one.
You like it too?
Yeah, I do. I like it.
Oh.
I think I have to. No.
You don't like that one? Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Be picking, be packing.
Okay.
It's me.
Who you be?
Yes.
Yes. But who are going to say the look for? You be the sister.
I am the business partner.
Together. Okay. My going to say business partner the look for now. Just wait there.
I don't tell her. You say where you coming. In confirm and we say true say you be business partner. Come, I help you carry. I'll join. Welcome, man. Hey. Madam, sit down. Make yourself comfort. Now, someone I gotta tell anybody who comes visit them, go tell and say relax, feel free, make yourself comfort. But I go tell and say you there. Thank you. She took the waka for money. She dey hire the body. Waka mama. She too like it money. She don't want wahala.
Finally.
Chief.
Finally, you are here.
Yes, Chief.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you, Chief.
Please sit down. Yeah. And Francis,
Sir?
can I move back there?
I beg you, make yourself comfortable. Yes.
Say go.
Okay, sir.
You look good on this. Too much, you people call it. I like that. What do I offer you? Let's start.
Chief, you know what I like now? Special drink first.
Okay. I'm going to fix you with that special drink. Thereafter, I will take care. So let me go and get a chilled one for you. Okay. You're welcome.
So what is it that cannot wait? What is it that you want to tell me?
Chief, I beg, no vex, yeah, no vex. That woman with the house, Mama Philo, you say she resembles you well. Now come they think for that, they think I'm. No, I say no, I can't ask you, whether or not your sister.
No, she's not.
Chief, it remains small, 30 minutes for reach before you answer this question. You can't stammer but no problem, sir. But who says she no be stranger?
I told you earlier that she's my business partner. Why do you ask?
Chief, you know, say as the gateman for here and the chief security officer, I suppose no people where they enter your house, for security purposes. Make her for the scrutinize them now. You don't understand? Yes.
Well, you are correct. You are right. And now that you know that we have a visitor, I want you to behave yourself.
Chief, point of order. That woman no be visitor. Na your business partner. And that's my behavior. You trust me now. You know say me they behave well. Or Chief talk through. Swear. I don't ever disappoint you before.
No, you have not.
Oh, okay.
Please, now that she has come to stay with us, I want you to do whatever she asks you to do. Do it perfectly and do not hesitate. Did you get that?
Anything?
Anything at all that she wants you or asks you to do for her, do it.
Okay,
you are one though.
I know now. What's it? I didn't do anything though. Anything when she asked me to do. Oh, wow.
La Sisi! La Sisi! Come and open this gate. Mama Philo.
I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too. I'm already missing you. But not to worry, I'll come back on time, okay?
When you get to that office, remember you have somebody at home waiting.
Of course I will. Like I said, I'll come back on time, huh? It's alright.
Have a nice day.
Let me run along. I'll be back.
Okay.
And you be careful, eh?
I will.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay. Thank you.
Say this woman my chief business partner. Huh? Hey! So now so business partner they take the relate. They kiss, they hug. Say chief, I miss you. Hey! Jesus Christ. The one what they do last night, they don't let person rest. Huh? This woman don't be say she shout. Chief, you're killing me, chief, you're killing me. Chief, even my madam Wege has never shout half like this. This is a correct bed partner. Tie! A past business partner. A correct bed. Hey! No be small thing.
Glasses. Take this. Take this clothes now.
What do you call the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what? I want you to wash them and they are dirty clothes.
Hey! One that's no good end for this world. I talk Madam, me, like this, wash your clothes, even your drawers. Hey! I don't die. Huh?
What's wrong with that?
Hey!
Huh? Oh, yeah. Listen to me. If you don't want these clothes, you're not going to eat in this house today. Not even half a meal.
Madam, I lie. I said I lie. You know what will happen? Me, like this, try and make you see who I be. Now, till I begin work here, I know who you be. Not try and.
What's going on here?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, and you are shouting.
We just discuss. They tell me, say,
honey,
my dear,
I gave him my clothes to wash and he's trying to be stubborn.
Is that true?
Me, okay, I no fit. I tell him, say, this clothes too small. Make you go pack even your own joiner.
Don't mind him, he threw them on the ground.
Me?
You must be very stupid.
Hey.
Come on, go and do the washing. Idiot.
Now they do so.
Go and do the washing.
Thank you, sir. Hey.
La Sisi.
Madam.
Pick the man. Take. Go to any of those nearby fast foods around here. Buy me fried rice and chicken. Be very fast, because I'm famished.
Madam, you know better say you take this money cook for house. You know since last night, me I never chop.
Will you shut up? Are you stupid?
No.
You're stupid. Come on, will you run and buy what I want you to buy for me? For your information, I am not your madam. And you know it.
Okay.
Kukuru Sambe.
Okay, calm down. Look, I know you don't know me, but I know you very well. Are you not La Sisi?
Who you be?
My name is Chris, aka Oh Shit.
You say?
I said my name is Chris, aka Oh Shit. Yeah. We can run things together.
How? See, anything you want to talk and fast. Because my madam sent me message and I know one day she come meet me for here.
That's the point. I'm here because of your madam.
My madam?
Yes.
Which one?
Your second madam. Because I'm aware the first one, who is the rightful owner of this script, is not around. Am I right?
Come. How you take sabi all this thing? But if na second madam problem like how you come here, let me show my name. I no get power for that woman wahala. Her trouble too much.
Look, you don't know. Okay, wait, chill. Hold this money. You see, talk is cheap. Are you getting me? Hold this for your lunch. Then we talk now.
Talk? Nothing later we go talk. Just wait. Bros, come. This side. Very good. Run.
What is it? Since you bought this food for me, you have entered this sitting room more than 5 times. What do you want?
Madam, are they hungry? True to God, we greet me and you are they hungry. I don't enter kitchen like 5 times, go check whether food there, but no food for kitchen. Which can't it be this? I mean, I don't work for this house since morning. You check them now. I suppose don't eat now.
Do I look like food? Or am I your cook?
You see him? You see him? But you go give me money, say I go buy this special food for you. Then you go eat. If now when my first madam dey here, I swear to God, you went back kitchen, cook, give me make a chop. But you don't care whether I eat, you don't care whether I die, you don't care whether I die alive, it don't make sense, so it don't make sense. But don't worry. You see, when my first madam come, true to God, we create me and you, I go tell them what you achieve to do for this house. All the shouting where they shout for night, I go report you. You know me. I go talk her. Don't worry.
Come. There's not something to that now. You know my problem? I can't imagine myself cooking in another woman's kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go to any of these canteens around and buy food for yourself.
You see? See? Now you start. Like so you dey behave like this, say it's problem for day. If you no day, mama, you good. So now clear. Yeah. Correct. Hey, wait. Yeah. Then I work for you. Even they complain, what they complain about hunger. Hey, so thank you. I, Dr. Willie, can no longer condone this. I can no longer accommodate this. You are leaving my house. Get out of my house. Can't you understand?
I promise I will improve. It will happen again. I promise to improve.
You don't understand what I'm saying. Take your back. I don't want to touch you because I am a civilized man. Leave my house. Get la bar. Leave my house.
Please, you know I love you. You know I love you so much. Please, I will improve, I swear.
I am talking and you are still making the same mistake. Can't you speak good, correct English?
I will improve.
Oh my God.
You know I love you.
Leave my house.
Hey, darling, please.
No. I can no longer tolerate this rubbish.
Honey, please. Please, you know I love you. It will happen again. I will improve.
Leave my house.
Darling, please. Yeah.
I said, get Laba. Good. I need to have rest. Stop. Thank God, Chris, you are here. Doc.
What's going on, man?
I can't continue to accommodate such a girl that cannot pronounce good English around me. As a friend or as a date. I mean, she doesn't have the requirements. She doesn't have the rudiments. She doesn't have the components. Oh no, Chris, how can a personality like me, a man, a personality that has acquired first degree in psychology in human physiognomy, and I had my doctorate degree in psychology. Oh no, Chris, c'est pas la peine. This can't continue.
Doc. Listen, I know you're needing this education, okay? But then just calm down.
Can we go inside?
What was it that you were telling me on phone about a woman in my house?
Oh, okay, madam. But you listen me. I know they like gossip at all. Everybody know me. But for this one, I go tell you. You know since that time when you carry these children travel go village, Immediately when you come out, bam, now so I go carry another woman enter this house. Now me they tell you, as I talk to you now, the woman dey inside the parlor. Now me they tell you, the worst thing be say the woman dey very lazy. She no dey do anything. Madam, since we travel reach now, I never chop for this house. I never chop. The second madam no dey do anything at all. Her work na to wake up, bath, chop, then go balance in front of television. They watch every program. The woman God just enter like this, we go say, hey, darling, they go here like bam. You go begin kiss, so they go kiss, so climb up, go bedroom. I go just there here, so no time, you go begin here shout. Hey, whoa, don't kill me. Hey, whoa, don't. I say, waiting, don't kill me, don't kill me. So I go just put radio. They can block my ear. Ha! No one is can shout. One neighbor come ask me one day, say, who they fight? You know, say like the other fight. Madam, no be small thing, yes.
So, Lassis, you mean that same woman is still in this house?
I tell you, say, he dead there. If they watch TV now, let me just tell you. Okay. Madam, wait a beg. No, just rush out. You know, me and you been get agreement now. My dividend of service. Thank you. Hi, madam. I see if you hear this woman shout. Hi, don't be small shout though. You know reach am half at all. You know reach am half at all. Now shout, papa shout. So I go just put my radio on. Later they block my ear. Thank you. But madam, I beg you, no tell Oga say I tell you anything.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will always protect your interest.
Thank you. Okay? Don't tell us I tell you anything. No.
Don't worry. I'm going to protect your interest.
Yeah, this is the right person. Thank you. Anyway. Now what?
Who are you and what are you doing in the house? What kind of stupid question is that? Which one do I answer? Who I am or what I'm doing here?
So it is you. It is you that want to snatch my husband away from me, eh?
Wait a minute. Who wants to snatch your husband away from you? Which husband? Madam, please. I have no intention whatsoever snatching your husband away from you. Besides, Chief is already a chaff.
I agree, but please, leave him for me. Go and get your own man.
There you go wrong again. Rather, tell Chief to let me be. Tell him to leave me alone.
Mommy, who is this woman?
My dear, she is the woman who has been influencing your daddy not to take good care of us in this house.
Then let's throw her out of our house.
Oh yeah? You know?
Throw, eh?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Chief, welcome.
Lasisi, how are you?
I'm fine, Chief.
Get my bag.
Chief, trouble, like the
What do you mean by that?
Fire they brought for this house. Enter now since morning. Quarrel. Look, go make this for yourself. Look,
the problem is that I don't know when you are serious and when you are not.
Chief, believe me.
Hey, wait a minute. What's going on here? Can somebody tell me what's going on here?
Can I have my bag?
Come on. Give
that bag at the gate.
If you give her her bag.
Come on, drop it.
Don't do rubbish.
No, beat him.
Chief, Your wife and children beat me up and threw me out.
What?
You didn't tell me your plan was to bring me here to be disgraced.
Please, I am sorry. I'm just... Get out.
You pity this woman that comes to scatter our home. Eh?
Madam, I am not leaving because of you, but because of the respect I have for Chief.
No, come and stay now. Come and stay. Come and stay if you have power to come and stay in my house.
Untrained beasts.
Go, husband snatcher. Husband snatcher. Go and get your own man.
I can't stay in the same house with a mad woman like this.
Hey!
Please.
Come and stay now.
Yes, she is actually mad. Wait, let me drop you off.
What? Look at her. What are you doing with this unhaggard woman? It's better for you. Go! Get out of my house.
Young painted woman.
Go!
I hope the paint in the market is not finished yet.
Get out of my house! They are not stepping an inch from this place.
Agnes, you didn't tell me that we are coming back today, did you?
Must I tell you before I come back to my house? Must I?
You have been naughty these days. You have been silly.
Eh.
You are very foolish.
Call me whatever you want.
Dad, is it because of this woman that you always quarrel with our mom?
Said who? When you want to be naughty, you start stuttering. Look at you. Who said that?
Daddy, it is now clear to us that it is because of that woman that you no longer take care of us anymore.
Is that all you got to say? Look at you. Won't you go inside and take your drugs? Huh? Very soon you start shaking again. Come on, go inside and take your drugs. Look at the way you are looking, so pale.
Is it not because you
Shut up! Come on, go inside. Go inside. Go inside, all of you. Come on, go in.
I'm going in. You're going in.
Come on, go in.
Go inside.
Correct,
Sorry.
No, wait, have you seen it? No, have you seen it? Look at the shame and disgrace your stupid relationship with Chief has brought upon this family. Have you seen it?
Don't you ever call my relationship with Chief as stupid?
Oh shit, Mom, will you just shush it? I call it stupid, you know why? Because that relationship has brought nothing but pain and shame to this family. From one embarrassment to the other. Mom, enough is enough. My message is this. You need to stop that relationship with Chief.
Brother, is it Mama that you're talking to like that?
Oh shit. I swear to God, if you cough again, I will disfigure your face. So just shush it. Shh.
Chris, if not for this Chief, would you have traveled abroad? Gone to school or even failed? Have you ever for one day bothered to know how the rent of this house has been paid? Or even your sister's school fees? Is it not this Chief that is doing all these things?
Look, Mom, let me tell you something. As far as I'm concerned, you are blabbing. You're just ranting, okay? I don't bloody care what Chief does. But my message is this. You need to stop saying Chief.
Why did you learn all this shit? Which one is shit?
Okay, I know what to do.
What allowed shit? What has he been able to do? For himself? Massage my hand.
My dear, really very sorry. Very awfully sorry for all that happened. I'm sorry I allowed her into our house without your consent. But all the same, I don't expect you to fight her. I blame you on that. I mean, why should you fight her?
So you expected me to fold my hands and watch her snatch you away from me?
Nobody is going to snatch me away from you. It is not possible. I mean, You are my wedded wife, for crying out loud.
Did you remember that?
I do. Please, I am sorry, like I said earlier. And do not allow an intruder to cause problem for us, please. Please, I am sorry. But I am going to make it up to you, okay? Come on, come, let's sleep.
Just promise it won't happen again.
I will. I promise you that. It's alright. Stop crying now. Come, let's sleep. It's alright. It's okay now.
Oh my God.
My baby, welcome to my mansion.
Your house is so nice, so beautiful.
I know you will like it.
Oh, good. Just stay here alone.
Of course. That is why I want you to come and enjoy life with me.
I don't understand.
My love.
Yes, Dad.
I want you to know me more.
But I already know you most. So what do you want me to know about you?
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? I love surprises.
Hold my hand. Will you marry me?
Oh my God! Yes!
That's my baby.
Oh God! I'll marry you, but first you have to come and see my people, okay?
No, there's no problem. Very soon, I'll go and make my intentions known to your people. But first of all, I just want to know whether you will marry me.
I will marry you! I'll marry you.
Do you know what? I will make you the happiest woman on earth.
Thank you.
Just look around. Look around.
Thank you.
Come on, look around.
Thank you.
Come, let's go inside.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
I know you will like it.
I like it.
Honey, I am very, very sorry for what happened the other day. I didn't know that my wife would come back that same day. Please, I'm sorry.
You were there. You were there when that mad dog you call a wife inflicted all these wounds on me. Look at my body. This one has even removed to go.
Please, once again, I am so sorry. I'm sorry about the whole thing. I am going to make it up for you.
How? How much are you going to give me to make up for all the insults, embarrassment, and injuries I sustained? How?
I will write a check for 500,000 naira for you.
I'm tired of receiving such amount of money from you. It's becoming too monotonous.
Alright, what if I make it 1 million naira? A check of 1 million naira will give you the difference. I beg, and please, I'm sorry.
1 million naira is manageable. At least it's better than 500,000 naira every day.
Yeah. I have made money. My interest is whatever that will make you happy. That's why you are called my love. Come on. I am going to write it now. Yeah. I just want you to be here for my love, huh? That's 1 million for you. Go and enjoy yourself. It's alright. Are you happy now? Hey, it's alright. Sorry for the whole thing. I'm so sorry about you.
This situation, this somehow, Mama must to survive.
since that time way my madam beat up that woman, eh? Hey, come see as I avoid my yoga. He no fit near my yoga at all. They fear him. But they still they communicate, they talk to each other.
Are you sure?
Me? What did they ask? Not before here, they. I said sometime I go see your guy carry phone. Take speed, run come for house, go hide for one corner. They call the woman. Make my mother for no catch am. Say they talk to her. My yoga like a man, correct man. I tell you.
Okay. Look at what you do for me, okay? The next time your boss sneak out to call her, just make sure you listen attentively. Just listen and get back to me. Okay?
You say?
I mean, the next time your boss sneaks out to talk to her, just make sure you listen to their conversation and update me.
Okay. You the mad? You the Chris? Make me as your houseboy now. Call the monitor my car, they listen when they go talk to me. Come on here. Begin the go.
No, bros, what is that one now? Are you stupid? Bros, forget that they speak for Nell. No try. You don't try me.
Come on here now. Come on here before
you insult.
Make I lose my job. So what will happen? Oh boy, I don't need your money. Carry your money, they go. Leave them. See, begin the go now. My baby go soon come. If he jam you for here, now you sabi. What is the other one? They tell me look at the monitor. They look at that. You don't see houseboy.
Oh shit.
Oh, Guinea. Look at this one. Hey. Your trouser. You want 4. Carry and go up.
Oh shit.
So mad never takes that. Hey! Small boys will give the look just get respect at all. Make me the monitor.
Mom, I'm very pleased to come and see you.
Welcome. Welcome, my son.
Yes, Mom. Mom, I've come to tell you that I'm interested in marrying your daughter, Philo. Philo.
Eh? Getting married?
Yes, Mom.
Philo, my daughter. Hey! God, you are wonderful. Philomena.
Yes, Mom. I will marry him.
What?
You want to marry him just like that? Damn.
Mom, to show my readiness, here is the sum of 200,000 naira. This is just for your upkeep.
Eh?
Come on.
200. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
No. Mom, it's nothing. It's nothing. Brother Chris, as the father of the house, this is also the sum of 200,000 naira for you. Come, take it.
Okay, well, yo. This is cool, huh? I want to ask you, son, what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
Business what? Okay, what sort of business do you do?
What sort of cross-question is that? Eh? Are you taking the money or not? My lord, please, don't mind this, my son. Since he traveled abroad and came back empty-handed, his character has changed. Eh? He not behaves funny.
Brother Chris, just look for a good business of yours. Just look for any business of your choice. And call me by next week. I will make out a check of 2 million naira for you to start off.
Oh my God, I'm serious. It's my brother, man. Shit.
There's a problem.
You know, the moment I saw him, I knew.
Anything for the family.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That's the song, man. Take a part, man. I see my money coming soon. Like seriously, I take a part. This is my year. I'ma make real money. I don't give a fuck or people. Woo! Chris the Octopus. You look so excited. Did you win lottery? Fuck lottery, man. You know what? am so happy because I'm supposed to be happy.
Sabon. I'm all ears.
Listen, man. My little sis Philo wants to get married to this rich and wealthy dude.
Wonderful. Really? Wonderful. I know she was overwhelmed when the proposal came to her. You know, women, they lose control of their thinking faculty when such proposals come to them.
Listen, you don't get this whole thing. The dude in question has too much money, smelling money to throw around.
Seriously serious?
Yeah, I'm dead serious.
Chris, you see, in the law courts, lawyers present convincing evidences to prove a point.
But we are not in the law court.
Chris, in this issue, you need to use your medulla oblongata to synchronize his words from his actions if you are not already engulfed by his flamboyant approach towards conquering your sister's heart as well as the family. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay, your grammar and English, I understand. But the message is this. The dude in question promised me 2 million naira. Let me repeat. 2 million naira to start my business.
That is good money.
But my problem is this. I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to do. So I want you to advise me on how to use my 2 mil. That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Chris, don't be overwhelmed by verbal promise of 2 million naira. Chris, let me tell you, you need to apply your thinking mechanism. Yes, you should. I do hope that your thinking mechanism is operating in the right radius. Yes, do you understand what I'm saying, Chris? I am happy for you. 2 million naira is a good money, and I know you, Chris, that with 2 million naira you will know exactly what to do with the money. But the point here is, are you sure that the money is as promised?
Mama Philo.
Yes, Chief.
I invited you over here for us to discuss a very important matter.
What is it?
I want you to do me a favor, please.
I'm listening.
Mama Philo, there is this oil business that I want to invest in, and it's going to be a very lucrative one. The business is such that it's going to position us among the rich and wealthy of the society.
Really?
Yes. You know how close we are.
Yes.
So I want us to enjoy the dividends of this business together. I want you to lend me some 3 million naira to add to what I have to enable me execute that business. I'll pay you back.
Chief, did you say 3 million?
Yes. And I'll also said that I'll pay you back with interest. Please.
Where will I get that kind of money from?
Mafilo, please. I gave you some good money some 3 weeks ago.
I have used up the money now. I actually requested for the money for something and I've used it for it. Moreover, we're not business partners, we're just friends.
Mafilo, please drop that one. Just don't go that area. This is the time I need your help. Please help me.
I can see you have nothing important to tell me. I'm leaving. Call me anytime you have an important issue to discuss.
Can you imagine? Hey.
God, thank you.
Agnes, what do you know of this? Is anything the matter? I mean, why are you looking like this?
Darling, please, can you sit down?
Okay. So what is it?
There's something I want to ask you.
Go ahead, I'm all ears. What is it?
Please, tell me all the truth. Please.
Agnes, what is it?
I overheard you and your business colleagues arguing over money.
Is it just that? Like you said, they are my business partners. But there's no cause for alarm. They are my business partners, quite alright. We did a business that has not matured. And they want me to pay them ahead of time. Is it done? How would I pay them when the money has not come? Is it not when I receive the money that I'll give them their own deal, share of the deal? So I simply asked them to go home. Please, please, please. If that is your bother, just sleep. There's no cause for alarm, okay? There's nothing to worry about. Just sleep, huh? Please. Just go to bed, huh? There's no cause for alarm. Meanwhile, I saw Mazioka and he's still complaining bitterly about your mother. If you know anything to do, you better handle that fast.
Mama, I have come to tell you that my traditional marriage with your daughter Philo will be coming up by next weekend.
This next weekend? Hey, so soon?
Aye. And I also want to tell you that my people are in support of everything.
Hey!
Well, this is good news, but what's up with the 2 million you promised me? Alma, that reminds me. I've already prepared a check.
Thank you.
There's a check of 2 million. Oh my God. Oh shit! Oh, I feel like doing a tonto break dance. It's okay. You're welcome, mom. You know what? I feel like a tonto break dance, man. I feel like doing a tonto. Oh God!
The truth is that my husband is planning this traditional marriage in a big way. It's going to be done in a grand style.
Without being told, I can't even feel it.
I think what we need to do now is this. We need to start planning on how to spend that 500k he brought.
There is nothing to spend.
Okay.
I know Joe very, very well. I've been to his house. You need to see his house. It's like a church cathedral. It's so well big, fine, packed with assorted cars all over.
Oh shit. Oh shit. You know what?
Okay.
I swear to God, that your dude is so freaking
Yeah. See, Joe is ready to give us more money because there will be a lot to drink that day, to eat. So we are going to invite a lot of people. A lot.
I think I have to extend an invitation to all those bad belly people that were mocking my children and I.
Yes.
Calling us different names.
Yes, Mom.
That's the big boy.
You know what I'll do? I'm gonna invite all my haters.
Let them
all my belly.
Oh
They should
my
come down.
God. Let them
See me that
Okay.
My in-law has so much money to spend.
Yes, sir. Mom, why are you not picking your call?
I don't want to pay. Chief, what is it? Eh? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, I don't want.
Mom, I want to tell you something concerning Chief.
What is it?
Mom, I think this is the best time for you to quit that relationship. Especially now that we have Joe, a wealthy in-law.
My son, this is the best suggestion you have made in a long time.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
That's what's up, Mom. Okay, Mom, I think we should do like 2 cows, 5 goats.
Goats. Is it goats or ram? Which one is better?
Okay, let me remix. Let's do 2 rams, 3 goats, like 5 bags of rice.
Yeah, Mama Philomena. No, Philomena. Why didn't you pick my calls? Because I've been calling you since afternoon, and here you are.
I refuse to pick because I have nothing important to discuss with you. Is that why you barge into my house like that?
I want to see you privately. Now.
That is not possible. As you can see, I'm very busy. We're trying to write out the important things we're going to do for my daughter's wedding. You are also invited. Come on.
Woman, I refuse to be discharged in such a manner. Let me see you now. Else.
Hold it there. Are you there for some? Listen, my sweet mama said she's too busy to talk to you. So I suggest you bounce to your miserable family, okay?
Look at this vagabond. So you now talk when I am talking. You, after all I did for you. All right, I see. Both of you will hear from me.
Fools! Don't do anything!
Fools!
Useless man! Nothing will happen! Rubbish! You are carrying yourself about. Chief, people are calling you chief. You think you don't even have shishi to do your business.
Are you serious? Mom, is he pregnant or so? What was that?
Can you imagine he asked me to lend him 3 million naira?
Oh, he's suffering from malnutrition or something. Mom, as I was saying before that cockroach interrupted us, let's do 3 ram, 2 goats. No problem.
You should park here.
Other man, making clear way. Stop.
Come back.
Officer, good day.
Yeah, good day. Wait till you get for boot.
There's nothing in the boat.
I
I want you to go and open that boot now.
Officer, I know what you want. Officer,
no, I don't want to hear anything. Go, just come out and open the boot.
Let me give you something for long.
No, I don't need your money. Come out and open the boot.
Mr. Man, please come out and open your boot.
You're wasting my time!
Listen, officer. I have an important meeting to attend to. Don't you recognize me again?
I do not know you. Open your boot.
Do you know who I am?
I don't care to know you. I mean, you should open this boot.
Hey, easy. Hey, take it easy. Hey, I said, take it easy.
Go. Come and open your boot. Come and open your boot. Open it!
What is coming out of this boot? Blood!
Hey! You mean blood? This is blood?
Open this boot!
I'll open the boot.
Open this boot. Jesus!
Hey!
This man is a ritualist.
No.
This man is a ritualist.
Settle what?
Let's go. Take it.
We can settle
it.
We can settle it. Just take it easy. Do you know who you're holding?
Let's go. Take this man. You're a ritualist. Take him.
Officer, mark him. Any movement, you shoot.
No problem.
You have come to bail my in-law.
Is it that criminal?
It is you and your entire land that are criminal.
Calm down, madam.
How can I calm down when you are tagging my in-law a criminal?
Sean, sir. Officer, sir. What is happening?
Sir, they are here in respect of that criminal called Joe.
Madam, are you here because of Joe?
Yes, I have come to see and bail him.
You have to give us some time for questioning concerning Joe. Officer, take them behind the counter.
Yes, sir.
What have you done? What have you done? DPO!
Madam, you have to move into the counter.
For what?
Move.
Hey, don't touch my mother.
Shut up! Hey, move!
Don't touch her. Did you just eat her?
She's a wife to a criminal. Move! Move!
Your wife, your children's children, they are criminals.
I don't care. Move.
Sure, sir. Madam, we are sorry for keeping you here. After the interrogation, we find out that your hands are clean. But the man in question is a ritualist. But for you, we are sorry for delaying you. Officer.
Sir.
You can allow her to go.
Yes, sir.
Essie!
Yes, darling. How's the food? Does you enjoy it?
Yes. The food is tasty. I enjoyed my meal.
Jesus Christ. Daya doesn't put many salt though.
Oh my God. I mean, I enjoyed the meal. I'm not talking about salt. I said the food is tasty.
Okay, you enjoyed it. I just don't understood you. That's why I spoke it like that.
This is something else. Listen, it's not darling. It's darling.
Darling.
You need to be romantic. Darling.
Darling.
What the hell is this bitch doing in your crib?
Hold! Chris, don't you ever use such word to my wife-to-be. Don't ever make such utterance. Do I make myself clear?
Okay, noticed. I'm sorry, okay? Look, I'm just coming from the bank. The 2 million naira check that Joe gave me just bounced.
You mean the money you are supposed to start business with?
Yes. That money was my last hope.
Sir, what is the meaning of all this?
His account is frozen.
It's getting clearer that my prophecy is getting materialized. It's a pity. It's a pity. Chris, it seems you are falling back to perilous times once again. Chris, I did advise you about all this. I told you. Oh no, Chris. Why is it that shackles of poverty refuses to exit from your existence?
Oh, shit. Can't you change? I'm telling you, I lost 2 mil, and all you could do is sit down here and tell me, Pericles, you know what? I'm out of here.
Vous comprenez? Vous comprenez, Chris? Vous comprenez, Chris? I told you this earlier, and you anyway, I'm more concerned with...
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what tomorrow will be. Nobody sees the future. It's only human nature to judge you by what the eye can see.
Hello.
Oh my God! Like, is this you?
My God.
Oh God! Linus! Oh, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Look at you. Is this your car? Linus, look. Hey, look at you. Oh my God.
Where are you going to?
I don't know the direction you're going to, but I'm going home. Oh my God.
I'll take you anywhere you want to go.
You're so beautiful. Linus, oh my God.
Whoa. I'll drop you off.
Linus, your car is so far. So you reach your own conclusion that I have no destination. The reality you see is not my destiny. No. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows.
Lock that door.
What did happen? Chief, who is this people? Who are these? Make us scatter like you never win at the thoughts. My friend. Man of this house has expired here and now. Make a hell of a man. Chief, here now move it. Not true. Move it. Hey. Move it. You can stop. Move it. Move it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But I think you still need to come and greet my family.
You mean your mom?
Yeah.
I don't know.
See, I know by now you must have forgotten and forgiven her for everything she has done to you. Okay?
Philomena, seriously, I have nothing against your mom, okay? I'm just in a hurry. I would have taken you home myself.
Please. She'll be very glad to see you. She'll be very happy. Just try.
Nobody sees the future. It's only human nature to judge you by what the eye can see. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what tomorrow will be. Nobody knows what tomorrow will be. Nobody sees the future. It's only human nature to judge you by what the eye can see.
Mom? Mommy, don't tell me you can't recognize Linus.
Linus?
Yes, Mom.
Linus the Baba?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Please sit down. Let's get you some cola. Some cola?
No, not at all. I'm actually in a hurry to leave. Maybe when next I come, I'll take something.
What happened? You changed tremendously. I can't even recognize you anymore.
Yeah, it's a long story, ma.
I insist in this our long story you refuse to tell me inside the car. At least let me know how life turned around within a short period.
Okay, if you insist, I'll tell you.
I insist.
I don't know how to start actually. Like you all know, I used to be a barber, and I went through a lot.
Floxy, can you imagine your friend Philomena dumped me just because I could not pay for her science apparatus she broke at school?
Are you sure you didn't do nothing else to her?
Floxy, I swear to you, I didn't do anything wrong to her. I only told her I don't have money. She wanted 15,000 naira. I told her I cannot afford it. And she knows I can't. She comes here on daily basis and she knows how much I make here. And she just walked out on me. She just said that I'm deceiving her, that she's done with the relationship.
Don't worry, I'll talk things over with her.
Help me talk to her, please.
I will. I don't like that look on your face. I will, trust me.
I'm a graduate, but I do not have a job. In as much as I'm trying.
Dear friend, that young guy loves you so dearly. I think you shouldn't chase him away. Give him a chance in your life.
Oh my God. As far as I'm concerned, Linus is a closed chapter in my life.
It's a closed chapter in your life? Because he's not giving the money you demanded for.
One need is a man who cannot provide his lover's need. He cannot even give me money.
Really? Let me remind you, and remind you for good. That young guy is a graduate. He has good potentials. If you like, leave him.
Graduate my foot. Graduate without money. Fine boy, no money. See, I dash you. Take him if you want, okay? As far as I'm concerned, he's a nightmare in my life.
You hear me?
Yeah.
It's your business.
After all, I have someone so special. Joe, see, that guy has plenty money. He has big cars. You need to come to his house. Girl, you will envy me. He has a lot of things, man. Ha! Yeah.
How do I get money to attend this job interview? Why am I finding it so difficult? How do I get this money?
Flogsy, how are you? Good day.
I'm fine.
I wasn't expecting you.
Yeah, I was passing by, so I decided to check on you.
You're welcome.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Look worried.
Everything is fine.
Linus, so Linus, seriously. You look very worried.
I'm supposed to go for a job interview in Port Harcourt. It's actually an oil company that invited me, but I don't have enough transport fare to take me down there. And I've not been having customers. I wouldn't have disturbed you with my problems.
So how much is this money?
Let's say 5,000 will take me to Port Harcourt and bring me back.
Okay, I'll see what I can do. I'll try and look for the money for you.
You give me 5,000?
I said promise!
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
What's that? Cheer up, Jerry. Smile.
What can I get for you? One Fanta or Coke?
Again, Fanta.
Let me drop this one.
Alright.
Tomorrow will be. Nobody sees the future. It's only human nature to judge you by what the eye can see. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Are you going out?
Yes,
I was actually rushing to your house to share the good news with you.
Really? What's it all about?
Guess what?
What?
I passed the interview and I got the... Yes. I haven't finished. The condition of service is very, very wonderful.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. I'm very, very happy.
Thank you very much. It's not just for me, it's for the two of us.
For the two of us? I don't understand.
You don't understand? Alright, fine. When the time comes, I'll make you understand. Alright? Meanwhile, let's go somewhere and celebrate. Don't you think we should celebrate?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you think it's easy to get a job? Let's go. So what are you going to buy?
Right.
So that's the summary of my story. Hello? Hi baby, what's up? I'm fine, thank you. I'm actually outside. Yeah, just by the gate. Okay, I'll just wait for you. Alright. Love you too. Alright, bye.
Oh my God, Linus! Look at you!
Hey!
Linus!
You know me now.
Linus, you feel good. Look at you.
How have you been?
Yeah, Linus. I've been there. I saw you driving past through the other street. Luckily, here you are. Linus, you're looking good. Look at you. Linus, say, I'm sorry about what happened between both of us. It's my mom. She pushed me. Please, I beg you. I'm so sorry.
No, well, okay, you get up. You don't have to kneel before me.
I beg
Just
you.
get up. I understand how you feel. Seriously. Okay? But it's too late because I'm actually preparing to get married.
Married? To who? What? Philomena. So it's you. You are the one taking my map from me, right? I don't understand you. Oh, you don't understand, right? Okay, wait. You understand now.
Hey, wait, hey!
Brother, I've heard all you said. But you shouldn't have allowed the situation to have gotten to that extent. You shouldn't have.
Obi, my brother, I have learned my mistakes. Just look at me. Stand the risk of losing that edifice, that my house, that I spent my hard-earned money to build.
Continue, I'm listening.
So, I said I should come to ask you to see how you can help me stand on my feet again. Because all those I hope that will help me for financial assistance, they've all disappointed me.
Brother, you know I'm more than willing to assist you in any way that I can. Moreover, I don't even know how much you're looking for.
Okay, I want 20 million naira.
Huh?
Yes, to enable me offset my debt and also recover that house. And I just have 1 month to do this. Else I'll be losing the house.
20 million naira is a very huge amount of money. Where on this earth am I going to raise such amount of money?
Obiora, I can influence my bank to give me loan using that portion of land near the square market as collateral. I am ready to pay you back, even with interest. Please.
Hey, now I know how wicked you are. Now I know how much you hate me. Brother, you mean the only portion of land I inherited from our father is what you want to take away from me? Huh? Mban. Ever since we shared that property, your eyes has always been on it. No, but let me tell you something, brother. Your plan this time around will not work. It won't work.
Why are you talking like this now? Don't see it that way, please.
What do you mean? When you had money, I came to you for money to help me in my business. You refused. Now you want me to release the documents of the only possession I inherited from father? There is no brother in this one. Don't even go there, brother. Don't even go there. Because it won't work. Aha. Anna, no. Don't even go there. Don't even go there. One minute.
What is it?
Is it not Obiora, my younger brother?
What about Obiora?
Obiora disappointed me to the core.
I don't understand. How?
Obiora was here and I was asking him how he can assist me raise money. Lease there is a portion of land that is very close to the market square for me to use as collateral and collect money from the bank and offset my debt and recover the house. But Obiora bluntly refused. It's not just that he refused me, but he rained abuses on me. Look at Obiora. I am telling you, he called me all sorts of names. Unprintable things he said. Yes. Reminding me that I didn't assist him when he needed my assistance. But I didn't do anything for him in short. I was trying to explain and plead for the Obiora stormed out on me.
Did you explain to him how important this issue is?
Of course I did. I even told him that I'm going to pay him back with interest. But he refused.
My dear, anyway, just see. There's just one thing I'm very sure of. That God in heaven will not allow us to be put to shame. Okay? He must make a way for us when there is no way.
So, Pius, that is how it happened. It's terrible.
Chief, there is no problem. Trust me, there is no problem. The truth is, I'll be the worst fool ever if I should forget the fact that it was through you I got the connection to travel abroad. And looking at the situation of things now, there won't be any better time for me to show my gratitude than now.
Wait a minute, Pius. You mean you can...
Chief, there is no problem, Chief, I have told you. I will give you money to settle your debtors and to put your kids back in school. A better school this time.
But we are talking about a huge sum of money here.
Don't worry, Chief. I have told you. To start with, I'll give you $100,000.
Yes. Hey, Pius, God will bless you. And bless you. And bless you. Thank you very much. Listen to me, if you do this, Pius, you have saved my life.
There is no problem, Chief.
Thank you, my son. You are truly my son.
Thank you very much, son.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
The most appreciation goes to you. You know, just like our people say, that's life.
My dear friend, I was so happy when you called me to say that you're back to the city.
My dear, thank God for that boy, Pius.
If not for that boy, Pius, I and my family would have been wasting back there in the village.
Hey, a small boy that my husband helped 5 years ago to travel abroad.
But it's only this boy, this particular boy, that remembered and came to our rescue.
Really? My dear, he gave my husband enough money to recover the house, send our children back to school, even to restart his business.
How? Thank God for everything.
My dear.
This really shows that good people still abound.
My dear, we still have them, but they are very, very few.
Exactly.
They are very few. Because my husband helped a lot of them to travel abroad. But it's only this boy that remembered and came to our rescue.
May God bless him.
Amen. Ha! Amen and amen. My sister.
My friend, you will have to advise your husband never to make the same mistake again.
Me? Advise him? No, I don't need to do that anymore. I think he has learnt his lesson in a hard way.
Really?
My sister.
Well, let me run along, I said let me come and see you, but I will come and see you.
You are a darling. You are a darling. Thank you so very much. No Thank you, my dear. You are indeed a good friend.
Yes, as you can see, I am worried.
Worried? What are you worried about, honey?
Honey, I have been a fool all these years. I have wasted all these years. Wasted all I have earned on that stupid woman, Mama Philo, and her children. I think she contributed immensely towards my downfall.
Honey, please, that is in the past now, okay? Let's just thank God for Pius who came to our rescue.
Now let me also make a confession right now. I have not been a good husband to you and a good father to my children. But I want to make a promise that from henceforth
I'll do my best to treat you well. And to be a good father to my children. Please, find it in your heart. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
But darling, I've forgiven you long time ago. It's all right. Thank God you have learned your lesson.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
I will improve.
Don't worry, it's okay. I have forgiven you. Okay?
Thank you. Please come.
Forgiving you, my love.
My dear.
It's okay.
Nobody knows what tomorrow will be. Nobody sees the future.